I've got a whole bunch of jalapeno peppers and I'm going to quick pickle them. They are great on tacos, stir fries, anywhere you need a little bit of tang and spicy heat. Let's get started. I like to cut the peppers pretty thin, but there really is no wrong answer. Here's a little tip for you. Most of the heat is in the seeds. So if your peppers are particularly hot or if you just don't like that much heat, remove as many seeds as you can before pickling. Add them to a clean jar. Add thinly sliced garlic for bite. Make a simple brine by dissolving salt in warm water. Add vinegar. Pour the brine over your peppers and cover with a lid. And that's all there is to it. Since these are quick pickled, they have more crunch than the kind you buy at the store, which is why they're so addictive. Store these in the refrigerator and have them on hand for tacos, nachos, or anywhere you need a little spicy heat.